Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We're back at it again. We at the rim shop. Little bro juiced over there. You see the Irocs? Hey, he can't quit smiling. We got him already. He got one on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh, look at him. Hey, you see how the back look, man? Oh man, look at him. Oh man.
That's that look though.
That's the look. I knew he was gonna be happy when he seen it.
That shit dope. I can't even.
It's like a whole different car. He's like, oh, happy birthday!
Oh, man, Christmas came early than a motherfucker.
Yeah. You thought it was gonna come 2 days. Look, it came 2 days early.
I was waiting on Thursday. I was prepared for Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nasty, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they gonna look right. Oh yeah. Yeah. Like really nice, man. They're looking good. Man, you gotta look at mine though, man. They over here. Look at him. Look at him. I went with the black ones. And they was telling me to go with the black ones. I had to do it. And they kept saying, go with the black ones, not the chrome ones. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, brand new out the box. You got to do it, man. Man, I order them off eBay. Get the little valve stem caps.
Here they go right here. Which one should I get? I'm gonna get the chrome and the black.
I get the square ones.
With the little, damn.
Like those.
I'm trying to go cheap, man. I'm trying to go cheap, man.
I ain't gonna cheat. The other one, I mean, if you like that style better, I mean,
cause it's chrome with the red in there still, like, you know what I'm saying?
You know what's cheaper? Oh,
$8.99.
$10 cheaper? Cheap.
$8.99.
Hey, man. Man, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Man. Look at him. Look at him. It look nasty, bro. I like how that red pop. See, that was the vision. See, you finishing up my vision. They gonna be like, damn, Luck, you should have kept that one and sold the other one.
They gonna hate, but shit.
Hey, I kept it in the family, so yeah. Yeah, this one next up, we're gonna put them Irocs on this. Don't even trip. Don't trip, baby. We got some new shoes in there waiting for you.
Wait till I get the new headlights in there though.
Oh, new headlights, new tail lights, got the beat going.
It's real out here, man.
I ain't gonna be able to tell you nothing.
Can't tell me
and
shit.
then you gonna go. Oh, you say you gonna replace? Little bro said he gonna replace the emblem, Monte Carlo emblem. So.
I want a little fraud, man. It's a little fraud, so I gotta get that clear one on.
Yeah. And when y'all trying to put them 22s on these cars, every once in a while you gonna have to beat that up. You're gonna have to bend that up. Because it will rub.
That bitch sexy, man.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
that retro look right there.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
That's that retro.
Now you see a vision?
Nope.
Then, so then we're gonna put these little center caps on there. We're gonna have them the SS, the black metallic background, like same as the paint with the SS. It's gonna basically look like that, and the valve stem and right here center cap. Yep. Clowning, you can't tell him shit. No, bro. Man. Man, them 22 sit right, man. That's what I would have did. That's what I would have did, man.
Got the same blood, bro. It's in it.
Yeah. That's exactly how. That's exactly. I don't know, but I think I was kind of thinking about the black ones for this one, but hey, the chrome ones look way better. For this car, yeah. Chrome. It is. Yeah, it is. Man. Now it's this one's turn. I'm ready for my present. My early Christmas present. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, it's gonna look right. That damn Monte Carlo looking right, man. What you think? You think it look right?
Hell yeah.
It look bad, huh?
Clean.
Hell yeah. Man. Bro. I told you. I told you.
Told me,
I
man.
told you. You gotta have the vision. The rim's gonna set it off. Man. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks right. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. Damn, Irocs. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with white right here. I think I'm gonna go with white. Not gray, I think I'll go with white because the SS is white. Paint all this black. Yeah. Be in the game. Oh, you got that tire, that secret sauce.
Secret sauce, man. You don't know what's in there. You don't know
It's
what's
a tire shine. You gotta have that wet. Oh yeah, and then you can wipe the chrome after you spray.
Yeah, that's what I need.
Things looking dry, huh? Yeah. Look like it got eczema.
You got eczema?
Oh man. Gotta have that wet, man. Look at the wheels. Hell yeah.
Serious eczema, good. You got double back on.
Hell yeah.
Tire shine ain't doing shit.
That shit don't smell like nothing. That's tire shine. It don't smell like no tire shine.
It ain't looking like it, man.
It ain't looking like tire shine. I don't know what that shit is. Seems like some more. Maybe he meant rim shine. Maybe it's rim shine, not tire shine. Man, this thing's sexy than a motherfucker, man. I got some fucking bad news though, man. Hey, I found I had what, 3 stripped out bolts? 3 studs, man. So, and then it's dark. It's getting dark. I need to hurry my ass up, but I got 5 of these. Got 3 messed up. You might as well change all of them. Right out, bro. Get this shit going. But bro happy.
I'm happy as well.
He happy in the motherfucker. He can't even lie, so I gotta get my shit rolling. It's getting dark. So yeah, we're on our way back to the rim shop. Man, I am pissed. This one is broken off. This one is ruined, so I'm gonna have to change this before I go home. It's getting dark. I'm pissed. Man, wheels right here looking right. Now which one better? But yeah, just that one. They looking right on the back. They looking good. It's getting dark. Y'all know these GoPros don't show good in the dark. So I'm gonna have to show y'all the car, do a walk around tomorrow of it. So yeah, it's fucked up,
man.
Fucking up, man. We're supposed to be riding back to back, man. Shit, hey, shit is never what you planted. Hey, but your shit is squatting, bro. Look at it. Yeah. But man, that shit's squat. I like how that shit's sitting in the wheel well. That shit's sitting right. I like how that shit's sitting. I like the stance on it. But that shit's squatting. Look. Yeah. But yeah, man, I gotta get to work, man. I gotta get my get them studs on there for I can get up out of here before it get too late, man. I gotta be able to see. Another day, another dollar. Riding in my Monte Carlo SS. Yeah, yesterday, man, I had to put 5 new studs on there because they all was broken and it got dark, and I don't like recording in the dark because this camera don't show too good in the dark. But it's the next day, early in the morning. That thing looked nice. I didn't even have pictures of it. That thing nice, man. I went with the black Irocs. That thing looks sexy as fuck. With the tint and the Irocs. Can't beat that. Gotta add some tire shine to these tires. That shit look like a it's all ashy. The tires all ashy, brand new rubber. They're all ashy and look like they got eczema. That thing's sexy. Fuck, I'm trying to get that angle, man. That thing's sexy. For those that don't know, I got a Instagram. Y'all follow me on Instagram. Watch my stories. Follow me on there. All that shit. There's Lucky's Wheels and Deals on Instagram. Let's do one more walk around in this car. Man, me and little bro riding back to back last night, clowning. Riding back to back. Everyone like, damn, these cars are clean as fuck. I'm like, thanks. These things be chopping on the Irocs. And I did not have to bend or lift anything. So far, so good. Don't rub, don't scrub. I didn't put nothing in the wheel well. I got 8.5 on both Monte Carlo. They're 8.5, 8.5. We got the tire size 255, 30, 22. 255, 30, 22 is the tire size. We're 8.5, so y'all don't have to ask me that. And they fit right on. They don't scrub, rub, none of that shit. I didn't have to do nothing. Just bolt them right on. On this year, on my brothers, we had to hit that strut plate. We had to hit the strut plate, and because his shocks squat in the back and lower in the back, he had to lift the springs up. So he had to put those lifts in there a little bit in the shocks for it won't be bouncing around back there. But yeah. So just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Peace.